Hi class, my name is Crystal Jackson and I will be talking to you guys about the public library system and the need for literacy programs. So we're going to start this off with a quick question. What does it actually mean to be illiterate? So the definition is the percentage of a population that is aged 15 years and older who can both write and read with understanding of simple, short statements. So this is an invisible issue. We think that our education system get these kids through elementary, middle school, and high school, and somewhere it will be caught that they are not reading or writing at the level that they need to be, but it tends to go unnoticed. Nationwide, on average, only 79% of the U.S. adults are literate, and that's for 2022. That leaves 21% of our adults in the U.S. as illiterate, with 54% of adults having a literacy rate below sixth grade level. So in the long run, it costs us. Low levels of literacy costs the U.S. up to $2.2 trillion a year. That's 130 million Americans lacking proficient literacy reading below the equivalent of a sixth grade level. Now, literacy rates correlate to income, employment levels, healthcare, overall economic growth. So it's a big issue. Now, what does that look for us in Georgia? Specifically in Georgia, we have over 1 million Georgians lacking basic literacy skills, with low literacy in the workplace costing Georgians 1.3 billion annually. Which is awful. Georgians with a low literacy rate earn 30% less than adults with a high school diploma. And the census that's just come out, Columbus, Georgia is actually the largest city population-wise. Um, and so with our population being so big, we do have 4 public libraries, which is the main Columbus Library on Macon Road, the North Columbus branch on Armour Road. We have the South Columbus Public Library, and then we also have the Mildred L. Terry Library. Now, going on their websites, I was looking for what programs they had and offered for adults. They had plenty of activities and engagements for elementary and middle school. And then when you would get to the high school and to adults, it wanes off. There is a few options for adults where you can join book clubs, which people who join book clubs are more likely to be proficient in reading. Um, and then there's the program that they have going on. It's a summer reading challenge where they have the golden tickets where you go, you log in with your library card. They give you a sheet where you log in your reading for the summer. And when you return your sheet, you are entered in a drawing where you can win a $50 gift card. That is the only incentive program that I was able to find for our 4 main public libraries, which is sad. If we're going to be trying to encourage people, there needs to be more engagement, there need to be more incentives, there need to be more public outreach programs, because this is an issue. Now, what are the long-term benefits from reading? I can't talk to you enough about all the benefits. You gain valuable knowledge, you exercise your brain, um, you improve your focus, improve your memory. It's a source of entertainment. Long-term fiction readers tend to develop better theory of mind, and that is basically a capacity for empathy and the ability to understand others. So it improves your ability to empathize, improves your communication skills, which a lot of that's a soft skill that a lot of businesses are looking for, reduces your stress level, improves your mental health, and you tend to live longer. People who read 30 minutes a day, they live on average 2 years more than a person who doesn't. So I think it's very important that we get out there and we encourage people to read. And so that is my topic, and these are my sources. Thank you so much. You guys have a good day.